western Morrison County until 2:15 a.m. At 1:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Melrose, or 27 miles southwest of Little Falls, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Great Eagle around 1:40 a.m. Freeport around 1:45 a.m. St. Anthony and Albany around 1:50 a.m. Upsall around 1:55 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Holdingford, Bowles, and Royalton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.